If you're like me and you don't eat pork, then you will know how good this is when you add it to your stew peas. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare this really quick and easy stew peas together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So I'm going to start off by adding some water to my pressure cooker. I will also add some garlic paste, and the garlic paste is from Home Choice, and I will also add some pimento berries. I went ahead already and boiled my corned beef at least 3 times just to remove the excess salt. And of course, I went ahead already and washed off my red kidney beans under some cold running water. Once I add all of that, I will go ahead and of course cover it and allow it to cook for roughly about 30 to 35 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Now, you can always go ahead and just knead up some flour to make your spinners for your stew peas, because you know you cannot make stew peas without spinners, so you need some spinners. Once my corned beef and the peas is nicely cooked, I will go ahead and of course pour it out in a large pot, and this is what it looks like. It is nicely cooked and of course it is soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in, add some coconut milk powder, and if you don't have the coconut milk powder but you have the authentic coconut milk at home, you can always go ahead and use it. Once I add the coconut milk, I will just combine that well, and of course we're gonna allow this to cook nicely. I will now go ahead and of course add the spinners, and of course we're gonna serve up this amazing stew peas with some white rice. So you want to go ahead and cook that white rice also. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box, so you can always go ahead and check that out. And remember guys, you can always go ahead and substitute as well as you can always go ahead and add whatever you want to add. Remember to be creative and remember to always be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. Also, remember you can add any amount of spinners that you wish to add. It depends on how much your family love the spinners. So once I add the spinners, combine that well. No need to add salt. Like I said, I'm using corned beef. That means it had a lot of salt already, even though I boil it 3 times just to remove the excess salt. You know, a little bit is still left behind, so we don't need to add any salt at all. I will also add some Scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, some French thyme, and of course I'm going to add some onion. Combine that well, allow it to cook down nicely, and then once it's finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys the final product. Stay tuned for all of that goodness. And this is the final product of my amazing stew peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. It was really quick and easy, and I used only a few ingredients. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again.